Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and fine. Myself, Dr. Anjali Yeole. I am from BS Institute of Technology, Chembur, Mumbai. Every year, we conduct one technical event for our students. It's a 2 day event, and there are some events those they get conducted prior to those 2 days, and the finals of those events get conducted on praxis days. Praxis stands for theory to practice. So as per every year, this year also we had event praxis which was conducted on 27th and 28th of September. This time, we wanted our students to go with some new concepts. And that is what somewhere it came into our mind that it should be some digital learning or experiential learning. They should experience and then they should learn. And so we started thinking about this event, and immediately one name came to our mind is a book that is IT through experiential learning, and this book is authored by Shrikant sir. And I already had attended his few events, so I was quite familiar with him. So I tried contacting him. If we want to conduct such an event, will you be able to come for that event? And he immediately replied, yes, he is ready. And that time only he gave us one new concept that this time we should do something new with which student will be able to learn something with a game based approach. So some new concept or some new subject, but it should be delivered through some game based approach. And sir only suggested it, why not to write one skit related to any technical term, and why not to explore that particular term in depth to students. So very well, it was my organizing team, they also took it very well, and they all started working on it. So we wrote a skit which was related to AI, ML, deep learning, and neural networks. So we basically wanted all the students to know about this, all terms, when to use, what to use, which all algorithms are there, which algorithm is best fit for which kind of scenario. So that entire skit was related to one character was ML, one character there was AI, one character was deep learning, one character was neural network, and those all characters they were had one good skit played, which was showing their relationship. There we had maintained a hierarchy like grandfather, then a father, child has a friend. So that way hierarchy was maintained across all these terms. And let me tell you one fact. Majority of audience for that event we named finally it as Brain Game 2.0. That event had majority of participants, those were there from first year, and there about near about there were 200 candidates, those they were attending that event. And once this skit was played for 10 minutes, after that there was a question session which was carried out. And let me tell you one good experience out of this is whatever term those they were explained in that play, they had a good impact on all the audience. And those audience, those they basically first year students, they all started digging into it, and they all got very much excited to know more terms about it. And we could clearly see effect of this excitement when there came a visit hackathon, when there was a SIH hackathon. All these first year students, they also came up with very good machine learning AI related modules to solve the problems in the hackathon. And when we asked them, how do you got motivated for this? The root were lying there in the skit which was played in Brain Game 2.0. So we immediately realized that, as sir said, if game-based approach is used for learning any subject or any topic, it gives a long-term effect. And that was very well proved. So thank you, sir, for giving us this new way of teaching.